Hello everyone, myself is Dr. Praveen Bhandari. I, I welcome you for my new video on what is chemical engineering. I have found that majority of the peoples are not aware about chemical engineering. There is neither any idea about what is the important role the chemical engineering or the knowledge delivered by a chemical engineering has played in making our life better. So in this video, I'll be removing many myths or misconceptions from your mind. I will also be explaining how chemical engineering is important and how it has provided the necessity for our daily lives. If you are new viewers, do subscribe to my channel and please share among your network. So let us begin with a question: what is chemical engineering? Now, I have spoken with many people. I asked them, what is chemical engineering? Either majority of them are not aware, or they consider chemical engineering similar to chemistry, but it's different. The chemical engineer is an applied chemist, and therefore wherever chemistry ends, chemical engineering begins. Just to have a classical definition, it is the branch of engineering which play a role in development of laboratory scale processes on a commercial scale. Now the chemist, whenever he starts some R&D activity for manufacturing certain product, generally at a laboratory scales, some trials are carried out. They are on a milligram or gram scales. And once these trials are successful, then the next task is to go for the commercial level manufacturing, where the extent of the product manufactured could be tons or millions of tons. Now, for manufacturing of the product on a commercial scale, we require special equipment, we require special care about environment, health, and safety. So all these things are considered as a part of chemical engineering curriculum, and by using this knowledge learned during the chemical engineering course, he is capable of developing the lab scale processes on a commercial scale process. This is the picture of a factory. Now, for all of us, when we think about any factory, we often think that some raw material is fed in the equipments or a process, fed to the process, and we get a product. Now, it is not so simple. Whenever we manufacture anything on a very large scale, we have to think about the environmental aspects. We have to think about safety of the peoples, the plant, and the peoples around. At the same time, we have to manufacture the product in an economical and effective manner. And therefore, chemical engineering, it deals with the knowledge by which we can have a safe, eco-friendly, and efficient manufacturing of chemicals and allied products. The picture you are observing is the earth, and I have shown the core. Now, what is it means? Now, when we think about our life has certain necessities. Every necessity requires certain products. If you try to go on listing, the products are beyond our imagination. Now, in India, the chemical and allied industry manufacture almost 80,000 products. And therefore, I say that chemical engineering is at the core of manufacturing of 80,000 chemicals and allied products. These are variety of the industry, and apart from the industry in which there is some name like some ABC Chemicals Limited or XYZ Chemicals, etc. No, there are some industry where from the name of the industry, it doesn't seem that there is a role of chemical engineering. involved in that industry, but there are host of the industry where irrespective of what kind of the domain they are into, but the chemical engineers works. And this is how there are almost 80,000 products which are manufactured by a chemical industry. And the knowledge of chemical engineering is at the core of that manufacturing. Now, in India, all branches of engineering are classified in a different type, in a different cadres. One of one of the class is fundamental branch, mother branch, or core branch. Majority of the peoples, I'm saying about the common men or common peoples, are not aware that chemical engineering is one of the core branch as per the All India Council for Technical Education. Now, in front of you must be observing the products which you are using either on a daily basis or maybe after a period of certain time. Say I often say that we start our day with good day, and when we go to sleep, we are surrounded by a good night. Good night, I am saying, referring to a mosquito repellent. So 24/7, from dawn to dusk, we are in a contact with the chemicals. Now, the typical sample pictures which are presented in a slide, like washing powder, coconut oil, then bath soap, sanitizer, which we are using on a daily basis, Harpic, it represents cleaning chemicals, shampoo, cosmetics, Dr. Fixit, that means waterproofing, petroleum products, gases, pharmaceutical, edible oil, fertilizer, adhesive, fire extinguishing chemicals, the cabinets of all electronic gadgets, stationery, cement, paints, textile, you name, the chemical engineering is involved in its manufacturing, and therefore the chemical engineering contributes in fulfilling the daily needs of our life. So now it's, after watching this video, it's a time to think, understand the role of chemical engineering, act, and please spread the awareness about exactly what is chemical engineering. Chemical engineering caters to every daily needs. It is a core branch with role in almost every arena of life. Peoples are either not aware about its contribution or have many misconceptions about chemical sector. Now, after understanding this, after watching this video, please let us spread the awareness about the contribution of chemical engineering and exactly what is chemical engineering up to every individual. Thank you for watching this video. I'm very sure that similar to my earlier videos, you will like this video also. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done it earlier, and share among your network. Thank you very much.